Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to start your own podcasting show. Which app you have to use, how to create account and optimize it. So watch this video till the end, and after watching this video, if you have any kind of queries, don't forget to comment down below. I will definitely going to reply you in next 24 hours. So let's get into the video. And if you yet not watched the part 1 of this series, the link is available in my description box and iCard. You can watch it from there. So first of all, if you want to start your own podcasting show, there are two platforms. First is paid platform and second is free platform. Paid platform is the Buzzsprout, where you need to pay at least $10 to $15 every month to host your own podcasting show. But Anchor.fm at the starting point of time you can prefer because it's free. This podcasting platform that will host your whole podcast is free of cost. Let me tell you why you need to go with the Anchor at the starting point of time. But if you have money, you can go with Buzzsprout also. But at the starting point of time, my best suggestion is go with Anchor. So here you just need to download that app, Anchor.fm. I will link down below the link of that app, so you can download it from there. This app is available on both iOS and Android, so you don't need to worry about anything. So here you just need to create a simple account, the way you created your Facebook account, WhatsApp account, all those. The creation of account is very easy. You just need to open that app, fill the details and confirm the email and all those things, which is very simple, anybody can do. But when it's come to optimizing profile, how to write bio, how to write description, how to find the best name for your own podcasting show, it's very hard. So today basically my major motto to record this video and upload is to write bio and description and suggesting the best name for your own podcasting show. Because creating account is simple, you can create. I don't need to teach all those basic things because everybody know that. The way you created your Facebook, WhatsApp or whatever account, you need to create that simple account. So right now I am going to teach you how to optimize that whole account, how to write description, how to write your own podcasting show name, all those things. So let's start it. So yeah, hey guys, we are here in this app. So I recently started my own podcast in the Marwadi language. So if you want to listen, I will also going to link down below all these things. So right now I'm going to tell you how to write the description of your own podcast, and one more thing, which is how to find the best name for your own podcast. So basically you need to click on these three dots. So here is the distribution setup, which will help you to know on which platforms your podcasts are distributed. So here right now Google Podcast, Spotify, Breaker, Pocket Cast and Radio Public, these platforms are added, and some of the platforms are still remain, and these are the platforms where your podcast is going to be hosted and distributed. So you can find out from here. And the second is account setting, where here you need to feed some of your personal information like your name, your email ID and the URL, whichever you want. I am very lucky that I got my own custom URL, what I wanted, and if you have website, you can go with that also. Here you can upload your own video and upload your own cover photo or a DP, whatever you can say, and here you can figure out what type of color theme you have to decide for your podcast. Let's say right now I have this blue color theme. If I want to change this, I will go into the account setting by clicking those three dots, and let's say select yellowish. So now it's time to save. It's saved, and here it's changed totally. Now the theme is yellow in color. So the next is podcast setting. This is the most important setting. Here you need to write the name of your own podcast. Here you need to upload your own podcast art that I'm going to teach you in later some of the videos. So make sure you subscribe this YouTube channel, because this YouTube channel I will going to talk about the podcasting. So here I write my own description, what kind of podcast this should be, what type of content you gonna get. So here I am starting with the Marwadi podcast. So I write here Ram Ram Sa. Then my name is Aryan Dugad. I am 18-year-old Marwadi guy. On this podcast I am going to share my experiences which I had which I had as a Marwadi and all those things. So how you can write? Let's take another example. Let's say you are starting your own podcast in the niche of fitness. So basically what you gonna write is, at the first, here we have a limits of at least what we can say 400 500 words limit is available here. So at the starting first paragraph you just need to introduce yourself, who you are, what you do, how much experience you have in this field, or all those things, or if you are a beginner or an intermediate or expert, whatever you can say. And in the next paragraph you need to tell them what you gonna give them, what type of podcast, what type of content you are going to deliver them via your podcast. Let's say you are uploading a content on the fitness, so what you gonna say, I will help you to become a more fit day by day by losing weight or gaining weight, whatever you want, sharing my all those fitness experiences with all of you, that will also help you to become more fit on the daily basis. This is how you can write. Because the reason why I'm very easily created this, because I'm doing this from the last 2 years. That's why I don't find any kind of difficulty. But if you're just getting started, then you need to focus on all these things. So here the another option are anchor, logo, cover art. If you want to show, you can show. Explicit content means a kind of adult content और कंटेंट हैविंग जिस कंटेंट में गाली गलौच वगैरह होती है तो उसको एक्सप्लिसिट कंटेंट बोल सकते हैं. एंड so we are into the social orient podcast, so let me tell you very clearly how this podcast analytics works. So here is the podcast performance, how your podcast is playing. At the starting 2 months nobody is listening me. Right now I'm getting good amount of listeners, and here are the top podcast audience: India, US, Ireland, Germany, South Africa. From which platforms I'm getting traffic, what kind of age and the people are looking to me, and the gender, which is very simple. This is how you can optimize. Let me show you my profile fully. So here is the cover art, channel art, and whatever you can say, custom URL, all those things. So yeah, this is how you can do this. So I hope you find today's video valuable. Then don't forget to subscribe and comment down below all your queries. I will definitely going to reply you in next 24 hours. And be ready for the next video of this series, how to start your own podcast from the scratch to make money. Till then, see you. Bye bye.